This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Take your man just to shove it in your face. My name not Lightning, but I still am a queen.
Hello guys, I am so sorry I have been inactive. I've been trying to I'm sorry I've been so inactive lately. I've been caught up with homework, family business, and all that. But yeah, I'll try and get some more videos in. I made a new intro because I love Larry. Larry is hot. He's my puppy. But yeah, I made a new intro and it's really easy. I'm just going to show you how to make an intro today. So you can just go to here, artbook. You don't even have to use any pics or anything. You can get a photo or something from here. Oh. Patrick, bitch. This ain't no race, but I still... Okay, so, you find anything that you want, really. I like this one. Ew, lag. Oh wow, 1 minute already, I'm slow. Okay, oh, my head hole. So, I like this a lot. And, we love you too. Okay, so are you serious, lag? Oh my god. So, I don't know, I just keep on... I'm gonna add Alicia into my new intro. Cause she's Patrick with me. Mostly a shark. But, yeah. So you can just get yourself, do any type of, I don't know, any type of animation that you want. I don't look like Patrick because I've got I'm poor as hell. Oh my god. And you can do any animation at any time. I'm just gonna do this. And mostly just really you have to do any animation. Oh, those fins though. Really it will just end up being like this and you can just save it. I'm gonna use this for my intro now. So really, yeah. I tried to do a different intro and not by MSP, but I can't even do it because I'm that dumb. But I'm so sorry I have been inactive. I will be more active now. Please comment down what I should do. Any challenges, I'll do it. So, yeah, yeah.
Is an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument.